Hi, I'm attorney Jennifer Velarde from the law office of Jennifer Velarde. My office is located in New Bedford, Massachusetts. The reason I have this video is because I want to create a series of videos to educate the community about the new immigration policies and the recent changes in the laws when it comes to immigration. So today I want to talk about the exciting news of all the bills that right now it's under review in Congress and all the executive orders in regards to immigration that Biden has signed. So let's start when Biden came into office. On his first day of office, President Joseph Biden signed a series of executive orders. One of them was to eliminate the travel ban. Although we don't have any more travel ban, we're still not able to bring new immigrants or visitors into the United States because of the travel restrictions because of COVID. Also, on January 22nd, Biden announced a 100-day pause on all deportations. Biden said that the reason for this is to give a chance to evaluate some of the where the immigration agencies should dedicate their resources. However, on January 26, a judge in Texas issued an order to suspend the 100 days pause on deportation for 14 days with the possibility of an extension. Now, this judge in Texas was appointed by Trump about a year ago, and he said in his decision that the state of Texas will face more harm than the federal government if the extension was not granted. Also, on February 2nd, President Biden signed an executive order to review and establish a task force to reunite hundreds of families that are still separated because of the zero tolerance policy established by President Trump. This will cause more than 5,000 children to hopefully be able to reunite with their families. Another of Biden's policies has been to eliminate the Migrant Protection Protocols, also known as MPP. The U.S. government possibly this will begin to gradually process thousands of asylum seekers forced to wait in Mexico under a controversial program put in place by former President Donald Trump. The Donald Trump administration launched this program in 2019 as part of a wide-ranging crackdown on the ability to seek asylum in the United States, which Trump officials depicted these claims to contain either fraud or were meritless. But the policy now will allow the people that were sent to Mexico to be able to come to the United States, but because of the COVID situation, they have to register online and they have to also get a coronavirus test before they come into the United States. One of the executive orders, this is what gets me so excited, is the DACA. So we know the Dreamers have been hoping for some sort of legislation that allows them to get permanent residency status. So this is where Biden said, let's move on and do this. So he has given this task to Congress to come together and finally be able to establish some sort of legislation so the Dreamers are eligible to apply for permanent residency status in the United States. And after 3 years, they can apply for citizenship. The same will apply for people with TPS. Now, the people that had TPS or temporary protected status under the Trump administration, Trump threatened or attempted to terminate these TPS programs. But with Biden, it looks like if the bill is passed, they might be able to apply also for adjustment of the status. In this same bill, if the bill passes, the bill will allow immigrants who were in the United States before January 1st. So this is huge. I'm so excited about this because this is pretty much every person that was here before January 1st. Now, if you came after January 1st, you will not be able to apply. So you had to be here before January 1st. So if this bill passes, those that were here on January 1st are able to apply for temporary legal status after passing a series of background checks and paying taxes. Under this plan, lawful prospective immigrants will be able to authorize to work and live in the United States without fear of deportation. And after 5 years, they can apply for their green cards. So far, these are great news, exciting news. I'm really, really, really happy. And if you like this video, please comment, like, subscribe. If you have questions or if you need help with your immigration case, call my office. I'll put my website on a link down below. So please tell me what you think, or maybe comment about these Biden's policies. I'm very hopeful because this will allow about 11 million immigrants to be able to adjust the status if that's the case. So let's hope. Bye bye.